Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Sasha Gay and today I will be showing you how I achieved this beautiful finger coil using the Afrosheen line of products. But first, have you subscribed as yet? You know you like the content, so come on, subscribe. Please remember to like, share and comment if you got anything to say. Also, turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I upload. Let's get into this video. Let me just start by saying Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I will be starting on freshly washed hair, and the first product I will be using is the Velvet Leave-In Conditioner. Now this claims to be a detangler and a curl activator. It also claims to hydrate and add shine to your hair, and I will agree that it did add shine and it is very much hydrating. Also, my hair was already sectioned and detangled, but it did feel like I could detangle with this product. Not to any great extent though, but a mild detangling would be possible. The product also claims that it has heat protection, but I'm not heat styling my hair, so I would not be able to attest to this. The next product I will be going into is the oil, and it basically says it's for the scalp and the hair and any braided styles. So I'm just applying this as I did in the 4 sections, or all the sections my hair is in, to the ends especially, and I'm putting it on all 4 sections. Now this oil did not feel anything to write back home about. It was just a oil. The next product I will be going in is the Slick Back Cream Styler, and this product felt amazing on my hair. It said it will smooth and hold your hair, and I'm telling you, it did smooth and it has a great hold. This product, immediately as I applied it to my hair, felt very, very smooth. My curls were popping and it just felt like I could get a wash and go out of this product. I don't know how long it would last though, but it felt like I could get a wash and go. My curls were popping, they were beautiful. What I will be doing now is just coiling my hair around my finger, wrapping it around my finger. I started with 2 smaller sections and I really had to increase the sizes because these were looking like my natural curl pattern, and I'm trying to achieve a different look. Right? I'm trying to do some new things with the hair because trust me, I'm getting bored of it. I get bored easily, and for the past 2 years I have been using the same products, doing the same styles, more so wash and goes than anything else. Catch it up in a one, whether a sleek ponytail at the back or one at the top, whatever, but it was the same 3 styles that I was doing, and I'm getting really bored with the hair, and I'm just trying to get some level of excitement again, guys. Sometimes you just have to try new things, not in the hair alone but in life as well, so that you are not bored and you don't feel like you're just doing the same thing over and over. So I'm just trying to do new styles to get excited about my hair again, or it will get chopped off. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm applying the product to all sections, and then I'm taking a smaller piece and just twirling it around my finger, and I'm ensuring that I go right to the roots, because I can remember doing this style when my hair was much shorter and the roots were always very, very puffy, and I never liked this style for that reason. Now I'm trying this style because the product specifically states that it's good for braid outs, twist out, finger coils, and I have not done this in a very long time, so that is why I am trying to do it here. Now the product has a white color when you have applied it to the wet hair, but the product is literally a white thick cream, a very white thick cream. So this I think will dry down because they normally do. If it will have any flakes, I will have to tell you that tomorrow when it's dried, but it's a very white thick cream, and the leave-in is also a white cream, a white thin cream. The packaging, in my opinion, is beautiful, and I really love the smell. It's not overpowering. It's just a little bit sweet, you know. Not where I go walk up and down smelling like, or it's going to irritate you or make you feel nauseous or anything. It's a very mild scent, and I like that. The packaging, this lovely purple and white and all these other colors going on, it's just beautiful. What I'm doing also is to just use a bobby pin to hold down my roots, because I want to ensure that I don't have that same puffiness. Now I'm wetting my hair if I see the need, because I don't want any product to build up. And as I said, product build up, another point to note is you'll realize that I mostly do my hair on freshly washed hair, and this is to limit any possible product interaction. You know, I don't want for me to have products on my hair and then these products don't, you know, take tea and then I have flaking. So I want to start with a clean slate when trying new products, and I don't want to have any build-up, because that will increase your possibility of having flakes. And as usual, I'm rocking to some good jams, because your hair can be a little bit tedious to do, so you need things to just relax you and make you enjoy the process. You understand? So I am going into the last section here, and I'm doing the same thing, just taking smaller sections, coil them, put more productive needs be, apply water if needs be, and coiling them up to the root. Now let me tell you something. You see the front of my hair never have to give me so much trouble. It really and truly never have to give me so much trouble. Yeah, you understand? The front section was very hard to coil. This is more so because that portion of my hair has very loose curls. It's not as defined as the rest of my hair. But may I tell you, we did have a very warm time with this front section here. I would say my favorite product from this line is the Slick Back Cream Styler. I really liked this product. I really enjoyed it. The definition was, you know, crazy that I received, and it felt, the combination of the oil and the leave-in and this product really felt nice on my hair. My hair was so smooth, was so silky. I think this is my favorite product from the line. My second favorite, I would say, is the product that I have not yet used, which is this gel, and it's a light consistency and it has a very beautiful color. I think it's a beautiful violet color that it has, and the gel is very light. I thought that this gel would not work for my hair because it felt so light. But girl, apply this product to your hair, slick it back, tie it down, make it dry. Me I tell you, say, you're not gonna believe. Say this light gel slick your edges, because you know sometimes your edges just, you know, reluctant, and it's some products that come and say, so you think you can dance. But me I tell you, that product here really did dance. It go on with itself. And I'm stretching my hair in this section you're seeing here, just putting it in 3 ponytails, because this style will have your hair on mega shrinkage. You understand what me I say? Your hair will shrink until you can't identify, say, your head this. So I'm just tying it down because this will have to dry overnight. Just tying it down so that I can go to bed. Girls, ladies, women, demand them, please tie your hair at night, or do yourself that. Alright, tie your head at night. Are we going to take some naps now? Yeah, a few days later, because you don't know, life happens. And I'm going into this oil again, and I'm going to apply it to the full length of my hair and my fingertips to limit frizz. Look at that separation. You need to separate your hair where it naturally wants to separate, and then you're going to recoil it, right? So you're going to coil it back in the direction that you originally coiled it. You understand? But for ease of unraveling, you can, you know, give it a little swirl in the opposite direction. Then just remember to coil it back. Don't forget that step, because if you forget that step, you're going to have a big head of frizz ball. I am telling you. So I'm doing the same thing. Identify where the hair wants to separate. separate it there, recoil it, and I'm applying oil in every section because this will help you to reduce your frizz. All right, it's a necessary step when unraveling any braids, any twists, any coils, any sets. The key step, guys, to limit your frizz and have your hair looking, you know, snatched, is to apply some oil. That will have your hair very shiny, very beautiful, no frizz. Well, you will get some frizz, but minimal frizz. It will reduce your frizz. Now the next thing I am going to do is I am going to apply that gel, that light gel I was talking about, to my edges. You see that ledge right there? Tell me say you not see that. That's what me here like have me speechless, me I tell you. Then I'm just going to tie up my hair right now, let it sit for a little while. Allow this gel to completely dry though. Give it a 20-15 minutes. You have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like this video, comment, and don't forget, guys, it's very important now. Listen, you need to subscribe and also turn on that post notification, that bell right over here, so that you can be updated as soon as I upload a video. Bye.